Reggae Girlz head coach Menzies told the TVJ Sports on Tuesday afternoon that after months of uncertainty between him and the Jamaica Football Federation, he has decided to call it a day. Karen Madden has that report.
After being courted by Reggae Girlz ambassador Cedella Marley, Hugh Menzies took the Reggae Girlz to a historic qualification to the FIFA Women's World Cup in the summer. But since then, the outspoken coach has been engaged in a fraught relationship with the local governing body. Matters came to a head when Menzies took to the media to reveal that he was owed thousands of US dollars by the JFF after using his personal credit card to cover expenses associated with the national team. Menzies and the rest of his technical staff are also owed salaries associated with their contracts. On Tuesday, Menzies told TVJ Sports it was time.
I just feel right now that the lack of communication from the Federation to myself, has been a little bit disappointing. So, at this point I have to, I run a business here in the States, and I'm part of a U.S. club board that runs the U.S. Youth Soccer Association here, and I got to make some decisions. So right now my decision is to step down as the head coach of the Reggae Girlz.
Menzies was also unsure on how his decision would impact the rest of the technical staff.
I spoke to them a little bit. I didn't talk to them about my resignation as yet, but I did talk to them about, obviously they're committed to the 17th and the 20th. I'm not sure about, what they're going to do after that. We've put ourselves on the map, and we just hope that if somebody else comes in, they can continue that.
He also disclosed that the Federation still owes him money.
It's a contract, so you hope that they'll fulfill that contract. We're probably going to have to figure ways to expedite that situation. But obviously I have to deal with that personally. And I think at some point, they have to fulfill that contract.
Menzies has been with the senior Reggae Girlz since 2015. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.